Hey, I'm JD Kelly here with HVAC School at the 2026 HVAC School Symposium, and we're at the ZoomLock booth. And we want to talk to you guys and find out what you guys got going on, exciting for 2026, or previous things that you guys are excited and want to talk about.
Absolutely. So today we have ZoomLock MAX and ZoomLock PUSH here. Both are going to be Braze-Free Refrigerant fittings. ZoomLock MAX, you're going to use your tool and your jaw to crimp it on. And ZoomLock PUSH, very similar to SharkBite over in the plumbing world, and all you have to do is clean up the pipe and push it on.
Wow, yeah, I've used some of the SharkBite stuff before, so you're saying it's just the same thing.
Same
Pushing
concept.
in, snap, not snap, you just kind of get a feeling for it?
Yeah, so we do have our depth gauge, right? So you can mark your pipe on there. So that way you know for sure that you're gonna push it in all the way. But once you do one, you can kind of feel when it's pushed in all the way, right?
I got you. Nice.
So ZoomLock PUSH, we have two different styles. So you can see this style has like a plastic lip up top.
Okay, yeah.
So that's gonna be our removable style. So you can actually use a set of keys to remove it. Now it's pretty hard to try on there because that pipe is really small.
I got you.
So there's no grip strength on there.
Right. Yeah.
But at the end of the day, you can use, when it's in the real world, you can use a set of keys to remove it. We wouldn't recommend reusing the removable fitting, right? It's a kind of a one and done, but it's just nice. You don't have to cut the pipe every time, right?
Yeah, nice, right.
And then the ones without the plastic lip, those are going to be the optimized style. So those will remain, you have to cut them out of the system. So ZoomLock PUSH, rated up to 870 PSI.
That's what I was going to get to.
Yes,
okay,
absolutely.
okay.
And ZoomLock MAX is rated to 700. So it's always surprising that PUSH is rated higher than MAX.
What type of refrigerants are we talking about? All of them? Is there specific ones we can and can't use?
Nope. There's not a lot of specific ones that you can't use. We have a full list of the approved refrigerants, but we're talking high pressure systems. We're talking A2L, so no concerns.
All right, nice.
Yep. Which is awesome.
Basically the only thing that's really not rated for is CO2.
CO2?
Yeah.
Okay.
But all your main refrigerants, it's good for that.
I got you. Yeah, I really love the idea of these here.
Yeah.
What is, can you show us one?
Absolutely.
Is your battery charged up? I mean.
Yeah.
Want to hold? Okay, so first things first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our pipe here and we're going to clean it up really well. So it's super important that you clean up and do the prep work for all braze-free options.
Gotcha.
You know, you're supposed to do the prep work when you braze as well, but we know that that step can get skipped sometimes, and you're still gonna get a leak-free seal with brazing. That's not the case with braze-free products, because if you have one burr in there from a cut you just did, you're gonna slice that O-ring and there goes your seal.
There you go, right.
So we cleaned up the pipe, that's looking good. We're gonna do ZoomLock MAX, so that's blue, so we're gonna use the blue depth gauge. If you have both at home, you're just gonna mark it like so, and then you're just gonna go ahead and slide your fitting on. Okay. The first couple times you do it, you kind of have to figure out your angle, but you're gonna go straight in there, and you can see I'm right up to that line.
Okay.
All right. And then we're just going to put it into the jaws. Now, ZoomLock MAX, one of the great things about it is it's a very intuitive crimp. If you've used ProPress before, it's also going to crimp just like ProPress right on that O-ring there.
Okay, and there's a notch, there's a groove for,
Absolutely, so super easy. Then all you're going to do is press and hold the trigger until it gives out. Do you want to do it?
Yeah, let's try it out one time. It's got a nice feel to it. This rotates any way you need it, I'm assuming?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, push the trigger once.
Press and hold.
Press and hold.
Oh, we broke it. There we go. Press and hold, perfect. And
all right.
It kind of gives out. You felt how it gave out like that?
Yeah, sure did.
Yep, now open that.
All right.
You can just go ahead and pull that out.
All right, so it just releases pretty quick and easy like that. I like that.
So you'll notice it kind of makes a hex crimp. It's a 3-point press. Crimps once before, on, and after the O-ring.
And is sometimes I've seen some of these, you look for a certain thing on there to show that it's the crimp worked well. Is there something specific you look for on this?
So some of the other competitive brands do have like a crimp gauge type of thing to make sure. We've done extensive testing on ZoomLock MAX, so we know that if it completes a crimp cycle, that it's good to go.
We're good to go.
You don't need to do any sort of extra step there.
Depth is more important.
Depth is important in the beginning.
Gotcha. Sounds great. Sounds great.
Thanks for watching. If you're willing, give this video a thumbs up and drop us a comment. Don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with all of our future videos. And as a quick reminder, HVAC School isn't just a YouTube channel. Dive deeper with us at our main website, hvacrschool.com. Curious for more knowledge on the go? we've got you covered. Tune into the HVAC School podcast, available on all your favorite podcast apps. And while you're at it, join our thriving Facebook group. Also, don't miss out on our free mobile applications available for both iPhone and Android. We're all about community. For techs, by techs.